प्रतीक है। ये पूरी तरह से जंगल राज के पाठशाला में ज्ञान प्राप्त किए हुए लोग हैं। ये जंगली लोग हैं और इस तरह की मानसिकता भारतीय संस्कृति और संस्कार में कभी स्वीकार नहीं होगा।
It is most disgusting that माँ का अपमान, मातृशक्ति का अपमान has become Congress's पहचान. And instead of apologizing, condemning the act of abusing Prime Minister's deceased mother, which was done by the Congress leader in Darbhanga, they have justified it, legitimized it. Tariq Anwar came and defended it, and now we are seeing that yet again from the official handle, they are abusing, insulting Prime Minister's mother, who is no longer with us and who had nothing to do with politics. And this is being done in a state where we revere Chhati Maiya. It is being done in a state where we call even our rivers as Maiya. This Sita Maiya ka apman. This is apman of Ma Durga. It is the apman of every woman. It is the apman of every Mata from Bharat. But instead of apologizing, what is Rahul's ecosystem doing? They are justifying it. They abused people of Bihar, called them BD. And now they are once again abusing the mother of Prime Minister. This shows that this is being directed, sponsored and orchestrated by Rahul Gandhi, no less. Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Vadra, who speak about women's issues, will they not condemn this? This is happening from official handle.
Does the INC now disreputably and infamously denote insult Nari culture? Does the INC now denote insult Nation Congress? The misogynistic Congress party's official Bihar Congress handle in the most uncouth manner has demeaned and denigrated the memory of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji's late mother by generating disgusting fake AI caricatures of Modi ji's late mother, who's no more amidst us. What kind of a debased mindset, against women does the Congress party harbor? This depraved act by the Bihar Congress is most condemnable, it is unpardonable, it is indefensible. The Congress party has stooped to the lowest of lows, and this twisted toolkit of the Congress party is a deliberate insult to each and every mother, daughter and sister of Bihar and our entire nation. We saw a few days back how the Congress party from a Congress RJD platform, Congress member had hurled perverse abuses, once again directed at the Prime Minister's late mother. And this was never condoned or, no regret was expressed by the Congress leadership. Srimati Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Srimati Sonia Gandhi are members of the Congress family. They are women, they are members of parliament, and more than anything, they are mothers. They didn't even open their mouth and utter a word to condemn it. Now, this grievous insult through this fake generated AI, has occurred, and there is no word from the Congress party. Will Srimati Sonia Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, break their opportunistic and calculated silence? Will they condemn this act, and will they take action against these people who have perpetrated this, blasphemy? Or, if they don't do that, it only goes on to imply that Srimati Sonia Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi and the top leadership of the Congress not only tolerates such anti-woman depraved mentality of the Congress, it implies that they actively encourage such crass culture of the Congress party. This grievous insult by the Congress party and the Bihar Congress unit against the Nari Shakti and the woman of Bihar and India will never be forgiven or forgotten by the people. The Nari Shakti of Bihar will teach a fitting lesson to the unprincipled Congress party in the coming days.
देखिए, बिहार कांग्रेस बिहार के संस्कृति संस्कार से दूर जा चुका है। ये अराजकता का प्रतीक है। ये पूरी तरह से जंगल राज के पाठशाला में ज्ञान प्राप्त किए हुए लोग हैं। ये जंगली लोग हैं और इस तरह की मानसिकता भारतीय संस्कृति और संस्कार में कभी स्वीकार नहीं होगा। जनता मालिक है, इसका जवाब देगा। ऐसे मानसिकता के लोगों को जनता सबक सिखाएगी। ये राहुल गांधी जैसे लोग क्षमा मांगने के बजाय, सॉरी बोलने के बजाय ये जिस तरह का भाव भंगिमा प्रकट कर रहे हैं, ये भारत के संस्कार के योग्य नहीं, और ऐसे लोग भारत के लोगों को स्वीकार नहीं।
इन लोगों ने जो अपमान किया है उसी बिहार में माता जी का, पहले वो समझें, उस पर माफी मांगे हाथ जोड़कर राहुल गांधी। उसके उपरांत भी ये सब करना माने शर्मनाक है बहुत ज्यादा। वो अगर ये कह रहे हैं कि मतदाता सूची में गड़बड़ी है, अगर उनका कहने का भाव ये है, तो उस गड़बड़ी को ठीक करना SIR है, उसका विरोध नहीं करना चाहिए। फिर किसी एक जगह पर तो आप स्टैंड पर खड़े रहो भाई। आप एक बार इधर से बात कहेंगे, दूसरी बार इधर से बात कहेंगे, तो खुद ही कंट्रोवर्सी उनके दिमाग में है, और वो उनको दुरुस्त करना चाहिए अपने आप।